Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that so many of you have been asking about. The world of luxury motorhomes, and what it's really like to travel, live, and adventure inside one of these incredible rolling mansions. If you've ever looked at a Motorcoach and wondered what makes it so special, or why people invest in these massive rigs, then stick around, because today we're breaking it all down in a way that's easy to understand, fun to watch, and packed with details you might not have known. When people hear the words, luxury motorhome, they usually picture something big, shiny, and expensive, and yes, that's definitely true. But what's fascinating is how much engineering and design goes into making these homes on wheels not only comfortable, but fully functional for long-term living. Imagine having the freedom to go anywhere, from mountains to beaches, while still enjoying the comfort of leather seating, high-end kitchens, huge beds, and even spa-like bathrooms. These rigs are basically 5-star hotels that move, and they're built for people who want the road to feel like home. One of the first things you notice when these motorhomes roll by is their sheer size. They're built on heavy-duty truck chassis, the same type used for commercial long-haul trucks. That means they're not just big for show, they're powerful enough to haul their weight while providing a stable, smooth ride. Many of these coaches even have 3 axles in the back, which helps support the massive structure and gives extra stability when driving at highway speeds. And then you've got the exterior designs, sleek graphics, deep glossy paint, chrome accents, and sometimes custom colors that make each motorhome look like a piece of art rolling down the road. But the real magic happens inside. When you step into a high-end motorhome, it doesn't feel like an RV, it feels like a luxury condo. Everything is designed to maximize space, comfort, and convenience. The front cabin usually features large captain's chairs that swivel, digital dashboards, and panoramic windshields that give you one of the best views you can get while traveling. Behind that, you'll find living areas with plush leather sofas, big screen TVs, electric fireplaces, and lighting that's soft, warm, and perfectly balanced to make the space feel cozy. The kitchens in these coaches are no joke either. You'll see stainless steel appliances, solid countertops, induction cooktops, full-sized sinks, and tons of storage. Some even come with residential fridges, convection ovens, and built-in dishwashers. It's pretty amazing when you consider all of this is inside a vehicle rolling down the road. Then there's the bedroom, usually with a queen or king bed, elegant cabinetry, overhead storage, and mood lighting. Many models have slide-outs, which are sections that expand outward when parked, creating even more space. Slide-outs can transform a hallway-sized space into a wide, open living area, making these coaches feel way bigger than they look from the outside. And of course, we can't forget the bathroom. In luxury motorhomes, bathrooms can include glass showers, tiled walls, vessel sinks, and high-end fixtures. Some models even have 2 bathrooms, which is perfect for full-time travelers or families who need extra space. Now let's talk about why people choose these rigs. For many, it's about freedom. With a motorhome like this, you're not tied to one location. You can wake up next to a lake one day and park near a national park the next. You have full control over your environment, and for long-term travelers, that flexibility is priceless. For others, it's about comfort and safety, especially when traveling long distances or exploring remote locations. Maintenance and cost are always important topics, and yes, luxury motorhomes can be expensive. But for people who live on the road full-time, it's not just a vehicle, it's their home. And compared to buying a house plus a car plus vacations, a motorhome becomes a lifestyle choice that blends all 3 into one continuous adventure. So whether you're dreaming about owning one of these incredible machines or you just enjoy seeing how people live life on the road, luxury motorhomes are fascinating, beautifully engineered, and surprisingly practical. If you want more videos like this, tours, comparisons, or behind-the-scenes looks at how these rigs are built, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.